Richard. Hold it with you.
So when you're driving, you're going to be sitting there?
I'll be sitting here,
Do you
yeah.
want it just in front or do you want it
Yeah,
on the
just
side?
sort of like, ideally sort of there,
Front quarter
no
almost.
more back than that.
Halfway.
Yeah.
That's fine. Right, Richard, you're going to be in charge of the bag, I'm afraid, so I'm going to put that there.
Yeah, someone was driving with it right next to us.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
yeah.
painful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me no like that.
Me no like
Which
it.
side are you chucking off, Sam?
I'll chuck
get
off that way,
seasick.
probably.
Yeah. Okay.
Right, it's on, yeah?
Cheers now.
That's why I was putting it in the back. Seasick, it's round the back.
Yeah.
Ready?
Which way's the wind going?
Or down low his t-shirt.
Ready?
Yeah. Probably have to prime it. It was started this morning.
Oh, right. I've got fuel all over it.
Very pretty, isn't it?
It's quite cold, isn't it? It's all Georgian.
I'll get there, I'll get there.
Assume your position.
Good.
Right, you tell me when you're good to go.
Yeah, I'm good. Good whenever you are.
Careful, Adrian, don't go crazy.
Waypoint done. Okay. Coming tight, and off we go. Breathe, careful of that wind.
Yeah, this is the problem I've got now.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
Thank you, mate.
I've got the wind underneath now.
He's going to go slower on the way back. Yeah. Careful that weight coming in.
Yeah, you have to tell that.
About just coming in now.
Yeah, I can see it now. Yeah.
Sorry.
God, that was
fun.
That was fun.
Hercules, let's do it again. Do it again.
Told you to be gentle on the turn.
Yeah.
That was good.
That was very nice, mate. You alright?
Did you like that, Adrian?
I did like that, yes.
Your D beat it though.
Pardon?
Wow, I don't know about that.
Yeah.
No, 6:57, I think.
Who's that?
No.
My D.
Your D. Oh, wheelie. Right, bring her
Why
around,
didn't
bring
you
her
do
around.
that on the way?
Yeah, exactly it.
Well, you saw what happened last year.
Right, nice and easy. It's alright, you two, yeah, well done guys. Got it, that's it.
Move up a bit towards Brixton.